Start with the sill pan first, and then work up the sides and head so water always sheds away from the rough opening. Begin by cutting and fitting a prefabricated or field-formed sill pan that is sloped to the exterior at approximately 1/4 inch per foot and sealed at all seams with compatible flashing tape. Lay the sill pan over the rough sill and press it into the drainage plane so the outer edge laps the weather-resistive barrier by at least 2 inches. Next, apply side flashing under the house wrap so the lower edge of the side flashing tucks over the sill pan flange and the outer edge laps the house wrap by 2 inches to maintain a continuous drainage path. For the head flashing, place it over the house wrap so it overlaps the side flashing and extends past the opening laterally by at least 2 inches to shed any runoff onto the house wrap below. Where the window flange will sit, use compatible sealant sparingly and only at manufacturer-recommended points to avoid trapping moisture. Rely on mechanical fasteners to secure the unit and avoid compressing the flashing system. Finally, integrate flashing tape at all transitions, dress the house wrap over the head, flashing when applicable, and install shingle or trim flashing over the head to complete the drainage plane. Common mistakes are installing the sill last, which traps water. The cure is to always set and slope the sill pan first and confirm the outer edge laps the weather-resistive barrier. Another frequent error is tucking side flashing over the house wrap at the wrong layer, which breaks the drainage plane. Fix this by ensuring side flashing is applied under the house wrap and laps the sill pan. A third issue is overuse of sealant or relying on sealant alone. Use continuous overlapping flashings and sealant only at discrete points, recommended by the window maker, to support but not replace proper flashing sequence. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where users and tradespeople exchange practical advice on installation, sequencing, and products. We help contractors find work by listing projects and letting them participate in community discussions that drive referrals.